What up guys, Magic Art here, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back folks. I know it's been a long time, but I got a special video for you guys today. This video, I'm showing my digital process of me learning how to paint a little bit better digitally. And I came up with this idea and I made a whole mood board. You guys are going to see it to the left, your left. Is it your left or my left? It's the same left. Anyway, so to the left, you'll get to see like the mood board, and I'm having the reference of the models that I used, the different Cali girls, summertime girls. But the whole theme was like summertime girls. And I'm sorry I didn't have the beginning footage of this. Like, I really wish I had it, but I was like, I couldn't find it. I was like, where is the beginning of where I'm starting to sketch the drawing and stuff? And so anyway, but this is really good practice. I've been taking some digital painting course from Barakura. I don't know her last name. I'm gonna put her name, not her last name, but I'm gonna put her Instagram handle on the screen somewhere. You'll see it. And but yeah, this is just a drawing that I learned, painting that I learned from like following her painting examples, and it really helped you improve a lot, like tenfold, like crazy. Anyway, so as you can see right now, I'm painting the background and I'm doing all this kind of thing, but like the whole theme was like a summer girl with some elephants in the background. Maybe she's on an adventure, and I kind of mix it up with fantasy elements because I like fantasy. I mean, fantasy's cool, you know. And so I wanted to incorporate that in the drawing. So she has like a sword, but it's like themed to her, like her outfit, you know. Anyway, you'll see. So but yeah, today, your journey finding your own digital painting process. Like, how did you come about learning digital art? I would love to hear that about, you know, in the comments, if you guys could share that with me. But yeah, for me, yeah, this video is just gonna be talking about that, this kind of the whole process and stuff. I literally had to like watch tutorials just to learn how to draw the background. I was like, oh wait, how do you do this background again? I'm like, it's been like so long. I was like, I've only painted backgrounds like traditionally, like not digitally, so it's kind of like a first. I mean, I have before, but like this one is a lot more detailed than I usually would. And so I kind of learned about different things like atmospheric, whatever you call it, atmospheric perspective. And then, oh, you can see the reference of Zelda right there, of Link. And I kind of like took that backdrop idea and I kind of incorporated it into the drawing itself, or the painting itself. But yeah, this picture took me, I want to say about maybe 20 hours. That's a big difference. I don't know what I'm talking about, but like 10 to 20 hours, you know, 10 to 20,000, you know, that range or so. And you kind of see a time skip here with I started working on the lighting and different things, and like, yeah, it started turning out really well. I was actually really impressed with this, like how it turned out. And following her tutorials really helped me improve a lot. This like also learning about like color balance, I guess. I'm still not 100% sure about like how it all works, but I think I'm kind of starting to get the gist of it with the color balance and all. But we'll see. So with that, I'm gonna go. So now we're gonna move into today's video verse for today, and it is, pull it up, Proverbs chapter 3 verses 24 through 26. Now this is context back to the previous verse where it talks about how that my child, we don't lose sight of common sense and discernment. Hold on to them and they will refresh your soul. They will keep you safe on your way, and your feet will not stumble. And then it continues on, you can go to bed without fear. You'll be able to lie down and sleep soundly. You won't need to be afraid of sudden disaster or destruction that comes upon the wicked. For the Lord is your security. He will keep your foot from being caught in a trap. This is such a good verse to like keep in mind, and just know that whenever you hold on to God's promises about having common sense and discernment, and it will keep you safe, it will keep you security, and that God will be your security. That it's like a gift for you to be able to sleep soundly, to be able to not worry whenever disaster is coming, because you're prepared, and that you use your sense to be ready. And when it comes to art, you know, you don't like stay up too late, you know, don't like, make sure you pace yourself, use common sense, do things in a well-mannered way, in a respectful way, in a way that uplifts you and keeps you, and so that you won't be stumbling all over the place when it comes to deadlines or goals or anything like that. So yeah, I just want to encourage you guys with that today, and thank you guys. And so that is it for the video verse for today. Now we move on to the next part. So this is going back into the drawing and what else I have going on with it. So I started adding in like a lot of the shadows and some more details here with the clothing that you're gonna see. I did a lot of adjustments, like for the shirt right there, and then also for like the boobs or the cleavage. I don't know, is there a safe word? There's not a safe word. Whatever, the goods. And yeah, just to keep it nice and try to unify things. You get to see me flip the canvas a lot more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do Ross Draw's technique about it's color dodge time, folks. And so it's color dodge time. He doesn't say folks, but I put my own little twist on it. Kinda, not really. Anyway, so yeah, and then I'm gonna get to the elephants later, but I was like, I don't really know how to draw elephants properly because they're in the background. There's not supposed to be too much detail. I didn't want to take the detail away from the main focus, which is the girl, and with the pretty girl with the bandana and the red and the Zelda-esque sword that she has. And so yeah, so we're gonna keep moving on, and I will step out for a second and come back in. So a few goals that I have going forward for the channel right now. So right now I'm trying a new strategy. I'm gonna try to crank out as much like recording on one day as possible, especially on the weekends, because I feel like the weekends are the time I have the most time to actually do stuff. Because if I don't get anything done on the weekend, then I'm gonna have to push it all the way to the next weekend, and then it's gonna be like a whole fiasco. Then you guys won't see me for a whole 2 months. Yay! But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys for viewing my channel, and for all the people, the future viewers out there, thank you so much for liking or subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Please, yeah, please do that. I'll put a little animation so you can see. Like, subscribe, and comment, and ring the bell. And but thank you guys for this being support, and I really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram and my other social medias, my Pinterest, and whatever else that is popular nowadays. I don't know what else is popular, but yeah, I appreciate you guys' support. And this is kind of like this video is kind of like just showcasing like this is my process of how I learned so much. And I wanted you guys to encourage you guys. Oh man, that was a mess up. I want to encourage you guys to keep going on your art goals and keep drawing, keep painting. You should check out the class. Oh, here's the color dodge part. Color dodge time. It's gonna really like explode the painting, like not literally explode, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, thank you guys again, and yeah. Oh yeah, but going back to what I was really talking about like the upcoming schedule. So I have a couple more videos that I'm on the process of working on, and I want to be able to just kind of batch upload, pow, 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 and get it going to you guys, and hopefully it can move up from there. So yeah, further announcements, we'll be uploading more anime, manga kind of art style, and more digital painting drawings. You guys will see that. Look forward to that. And good news, I'm still making really good progress on my script for my manga story. So be on the lookout for that this summer. And but yeah, I just want to say thank you guys, and really appreciate you guys coming out and checking out my video. Follow me on my socials, all the likes, subscribe, all that stuff. I think I already said that. I think I'm repeating myself again. Look at that. Anyway, God bless you guys. Thank you. The light and the light, folks. You kind of saw a sample of a different art there. I don't know how that shit got in there, but yeah. Anyway, the light and the light, folks. See you next time. Appreciate it.